Hello everyone and welcome back to the HSE Coach. Electricity is something we use every single day at work. But if we are not careful, it can become extremely dangerous. Electrical accident can cause serious burns, electric shock, fires and even fatalities. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 10 important electrical safety rules that every worker should know and follow. Let's get started. Rule number 1. Always de-energize equipment before working. Before you start any inspections, repair or maintenance work, make sure the equipment is completely switched off and isolated from the power source. And don't forget to follow proper lockout, tagout or LOTO procedures. This helps prevent someone from accidentally turning the power back on while work is being done. Always remember, never work on live equipment unless it is absolutely necessary and properly controlled. Rule number 2. Use proper PPE. When working around electricity, wearing the right PPE is very important. This includes insulated gloves, safety shoes, arc flash clothing, helmets and eye protections. PPE is your last line of defense if something goes wrong. So never ignore it even for a small job. Rule number 3. Never touch live electrical parts. One of the biggest mistakes workers make is assuming equipment is safe without testing it. Always assume a circuit is live until it has been properly tested and confirmed safe. Use approved testing equipment before touching any wires or electrical components. A few seconds of checking can save your life. Rule number 4. Inspect tools and cables before use. Before using any electrical tool or extension cord, take a moment to inspect it carefully. Look for damaged insulations, broken plugs, exposed wires or loose connections. If a tool is damaged, do not use it. Report it and replace it immediately. Rule number 5. Keep water away from electrical equipment. Water and electricity are a very dangerous combinations. Wet hands or wet surfaces can increase the risk of electric shock. Always keep your hands dry before operating electrical switches or equipment. And make sure electrical tools are not used in wet conditions unless they are specifically designed for it. Rule number 6. Use correct rated equipment and fuses. Never overload sockets, extension boards or electrical circuits. Always use the correct fuse, breaker and equipment rating for the job. Using the wrong rating can cause overheating and even electrical fires. If you are unsure, ask a qualified electrician. Rule number 7. Maintain safe distance from high voltage areas. High voltage areas are extremely dangerous. Stay away from transformers, overhead power lines, substations and electrical panels unless you are authorized to work there. Always obey warning signs and barricades. Remember, electricity can arc even without direct contact. Rule number 8. Ensure proper grounding or earthing. Proper grounding helps protect both workers and equipment from electrical faults. Without proper earthing, electrical current may pass through the body during a fault conditions. That's why grounding systems should always be inspected and maintained properly. Rule number 9. Only trained persons should perform electrical work. Electrical work should only be carried out by trained and authorized persons. Unqualified workers should never attempt repairs or open electrical panels. Electricity is not something to experiment with. Proper training saves lives. Rule number 10. Report electrical hazards immediately. If you notice spark, burning smells, exposed wires, overheating equipment or breakers that keep tripping, report it immediately. Never ignore electrical warning signs. Small issues can quickly turn into serious accident if they are not fixed in time. So those were 10 essentials electrical safety rules that every workplace should follow. Safety is not just the responsibility of one person, it is everyone's responsibility. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the HSE Coach for more workplace safety videos and practical safety tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe.